Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the new video. So today we're gonna talk about wait, let's move my computer. Perfect. So let's talk about two marketing funnels for AI OFM. If you are beginner or if you are advanced, it's work for both. We all using it. And which one to choose? Both of them are really good. There's none of them like better than the other, so you can practice both of them. So the first one is the TikTok slideshows. Okay, so we use TikTok slideshows. You can, if you're outside of the US, I have the strategy marketing to get to the US in my school community, and then you just start to publish slideshows. And yeah, I'm also gonna publish like a free Telegram group, which you can see what actually getting viral, and then you just can track and copy for your model, and then we send them to Instagram. Okay, so you become viral organically on TikTok, which is kind of easy, and then we put on bio like the IG for Instagram. Then we're gonna get quality people to the Instagram. And you can, if you're really consistent only with photos and you like don't like to do videos and stuff because you think it's too AI. I don't know, don't understand to be honest, because Clean Motion is really good right now. But anyway, if you just have photos, so you send them to Instagram, and then they're gonna go to FunView. It's better quality audience. Probably they're gonna be US, no third world countries, because we send them from TikTok. You can still use deep links if you want to qualify and filter the third world countries. I would suggest anyway. And you can also send to Cupidbot if you want, but this is just another step, and maybe make it like less conversion. So with this funnel, I will not use Cupidbot. Just send them directly to like FanView with deep link, of course, because we want them to go outside of the Instagram browser, right? So it's easy to get viral. TikTok, we take advantage, and yeah, and it's good for photos. This is the second funnel I want to talk about today. So we're gonna use Threads and Instagram and boost posts. So it's take more time because Instagram is slow way, but Threads is easy. Okay, so here we use Threads as the easy way, and we just pumping photos on Threads, viral captions, and finally we get viral. If you warm up correctly, and sometimes mostly it happens. Mostly you will get viral. Most 90% of the people I met got viral, but the quality of subs is not that good. Let's say sometimes you have like black bottle, for example, so the quality gonna be from like Africa, and then nothing to do with them, right? Yeah. So quality of subs is not the best, but we can send them from Threads to Instagram. So you can put link. Check my Instagram. Let's say your post got viral, so you can post under the viral post, right? You can add second comment. This is my Instagram, and then you can pin this comment, right? So then people will go and check your Instagram, and then it's gonna boost your Instagram. You're gonna get a lot of followers because Threads is easy, right? You can use mix with boost post on Instagram, just boost one of the reels or like photos. And then I also like to use Cupidbot because I like to fill them out more. And then from Cupidbot, it's gonna go to FunView. So this way is also pretty good. You're gonna grow the Instagram and Threads, like you're gonna get both platform, and but just like less quality subs, but good amount of subs for sure. And deep links is really necessary here because a lot of third world countries gonna arrive from Threads. It's happened. So just filter them out with the deep link. And that's it. Uh, to be honest, you can also mix both of them, right? You can use TikTok slideshows to Instagram and mix it with Threads. It's just more time consuming. You can do it if you have time for all of them. I will suggest start with one. Don't do on the same time. And when you master the first one, second one, then you go to the other one. You're gonna see really good results for sure. If you want to go more in depth about these strategies, this one is new. Slideshows didn't even touch on it on my school or mentorship yet. But if you want to go more in depth and actually learn how to do it, how to warm up the accounts, what exactly what settings to use, because this is just general and overall review, but it's not in depth. So if you want to go in depth, there is school down below you can check. It's just for like more like beginners, so you're not gonna learn in fully in depth. I do have mentorship as well, which we go more in depth and giving you everything you need. Then have access to VIP group when you reach around 10K. So it's also a really big benefit because you're gonna be surrounded by really good people and also have motivation to work. Because I don't want people in this group that doing less these numbers, because I want people who actually making money. Yeah, and then we're gonna reach good results. As you can see here, one of my students working in Spanish market made 5.9K, and this is the two marketing funnels for AI OFM, which can works pretty good. Of course, there are more. We're not gonna review them in this video, but I just want you guys to choose one. If you are a beginner, if you are advanced as well, just choose one of them and let me know how it goes for you. You can write in the comments and share your experience. And that's it. Also, yeah, I have free Telegram channel down below. You can just join and enjoy the content and all my advices that I'm giving. It's free there. And see you on the next video. Peace.